Hi everyone, it's Andrew from RunSensible. In this video, we'll explore how to create, delete, archive, and reopen matters in RunSensible, a comprehensive solution to help you manage your legal cases efficiently and stay organized. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Let's begin. RunSensible's Matters feature provides a centralized system for efficient legal case management. It securely stores case documents, tracks communications, and organizes deadlines with reminders and task management tools. By breaking cases into manageable tasks and consolidating all essential details, it ensures organization, accessibility, and streamlined case handling. To access and manage your legal cases, start by clicking on Matters located in the menu on the left side of your screen. This will bring up a list of all the cases you have previously created. To create a new matter in the system, begin by clicking the New button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a form where you can enter the required information about the new matter. The form will ask for essential details, such as the matter name, matter number, and court file number, which should be entered in their respective fields. These fields allow you to provide a clear identification of the matter, ensuring that it can be easily referenced and tracked later. To specify the attorney who is responsible for bringing the case to the firm, you can click on the Originating Attorney section and choose the attorney from the list of your firm's attorneys. You can set a budget for the matter within the form. In the budget box at the top of the form, you can specify the financial resources allocated for handling the case, including projected costs for legal fees, expenses, and other related costs. Defining a budget helps you plan and manage the financial aspects of the matter, ensuring that resources are appropriately allocated and tracked throughout the case. After assigning the attorney, you will need to link the client associated with the matter. To select the client, click on the Client drop-down menu, which will present a list of all the contacts stored in your system. From this list, choose the contact involved in the matter you are creating. Next, you will need to assign a responsible attorney for the matter. To do this, locate the Responsible Attorney drop-down menu within the form. Clicking on this menu will display a list of all the users registered in the system. From the list, choose the attorney who will be responsible for managing the matter. To specify your area of practice, navigate to the Practice Area section and select an option from the drop-down menu, which contains a list of all practice areas stored in your system. Once the area of practice is selected, you must assign the appropriate matter pipeline. The pipeline helps categorize and track the progress of different types of cases. To choose a pipeline, click on the Pipeline drop-down menu and select the one that best matches the nature of the matter. Different types of legal cases may require different pipelines, so it is important to select the one most relevant to the matter at hand, ensuring that the case will follow a suitable workflow for effective management. To set your matter pipeline, simply go to Settings and make the modifications you need. Click Matters and Projects and select Matter Pipeline. To start, give your pipeline a unique name by typing it into the Enter New Name box and clicking Add to save it. This structure helps keep your case management organized and easily trackable from start to finish. Once your pipeline is added, you can customize it further by clicking on the Stage button, where you can easily add or remove stages as needed. This flexibility allows you to adjust the workflow to match the specific requirements of each case. Initially, you'll see some default stages to help you get started. However, if these stages don't suit your needs, you can easily remove them by clicking the Remove or make any changes by clicking the Edit button. To add new stages, simply click on the Add Stage button, allowing you to customize your pipeline to perfectly align with each matter. Simply enter a name for the new stage and click Save. The newly added stage will appear at the end of the list. Each stage in your pipeline can also include tasks, enabling you to track the progress of each project with precision. With the option to add subtasks within each stage, you can further adapt your pipeline to different scenarios without needing to remove or modify the primary stages. To create a subtask for a stage, click the Add Task button on the right side of the stage and fill in the required fields. This allows for enhanced organization and flexibility, tailored to the specific needs of each case. Enter the name. Select an activity from the drop-down menu, and then choose the assignee. You can also set a due date for each subtask, specifying the number of days within which the task should be completed, either after the stage has begun or before it ends. And click on Save button. This feature allows you to maintain clear timelines for each task in the pipeline. Additionally, on the left side of each stage, there is a tool for rearranging the order. Simply click and hold the tool, then move your mouse up or down to adjust the stage's placement as needed. When managing a legal matter, it is essential to track key dates that mark different stages of the case. The open date is the first of these, recording the exact moment the case is initiated. This date signifies the official start of the legal process. Equally important is the closing date, which serves as a crucial deadline for concluding the case. Whether the matter is resolved through a settlement, judgment, or another form of resolution, the close date represents the point by which the case must be finalized, helping to ensure that the legal process stays within an acceptable time frame. Next to alongside the close date, the exact time of closure can also be specified, providing precise details of when the case was officially resolved. In addition to the primary dates, several other critical deadlines must be carefully tracked to ensure the smooth progression of a legal case. One of these is the pending date, which refers to upcoming deadlines or significant events scheduled as the case moves forward. These events can include court hearings, filing deadlines, or other essential tasks that need to be completed to advance the case. The pending date serves as a reminder to stay on top of these necessary actions, ensuring that no key steps are overlooked and preventing any delays in the legal process. Another crucial date is the limitation date, which represents the last day by which legal action must be initiated if you wish to pursue a claim or lawsuit. Next to the limitation date box, there is a toggle button labeled Statutes of Limitations Date. By switching this toggle to on, the system will notify you when the matter is approaching the specified limitation date. This feature is designed to ensure that you are alerted well in advance, giving you time to take any necessary actions before a limitation deadline expires. The notification system helps prevent missed deadlines and ensures that you stay on top of important legal timeframes related to the matter. To specify how a client will be charged for legal services related to the matter, select an option from the billing method drop-down menu, such as hourly, flat rate, or contingency fee. This field ensures that the billing process remains transparent, consistent, and aligned with both the firm's practices and the client's expectations. The location field specifies the geographical or jurisdictional area where the legal matter is being handled, providing critical context for regional laws and court processes. The matter description field allows for a detailed narrative of the case or legal issue, serving as a reference point to ensure clarity and consistency for everyone involved. The jurisdiction field identifies the specific legal authority or court system responsible for adjudicating the matter, ensuring that filings and legal strategies align with the applicable legal framework. The previous legal representation history field records any prior legal representation the client has had for the same or related matters, offering valuable insights into the client's legal background and helping to address any unresolved issues or potential conflicts of interest. At the bottom of the form, you will find the Permission section. This section allows you to control which users have access to the matter. By default, the permission is set to all, meaning that all users in your system will be able to view and access this matter. If you want to restrict access so that only the responsible attorney can see the matter, you can set the permission to Handler. This option ensures that only the user designated as the responsible attorney has access to the matter. Alternatively, if you want to grant access to a specific team, you can set the permission to Team. When you select this option, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose the team that should have access to the matter. Select the appropriate team from the drop-down list. If you need to limit access to a particular user, you can set the permission to users. Once selected, a drop-down menu will appear, where you can choose the specific user who should have access to the matter. This option is useful if you want to ensure that only a certain user can view and manage the matter. Once all the necessary fields are filled out accurately, click the Save button, also located in the top right corner, to add the new case to your matters list. To delete your matters, simply navigate to the matters on your dashboard. There are two methods to delete matters. The first method is to select the matter you want to delete by clicking on its left side square. Once selected, you can click on the red trash button located in the top left corner to delete them. Alternatively, you can directly click on the matter you wish to delete and use the top right red trash button to delete it. In some cases, you may encounter a situation where you unintentionally delete the wrong matter. If this happens, you can use the recycle bin to recover your matters. To accomplish this, simply click on the black trash button positioned at the top of your screen. Next, navigate to the Matters Trash tab, where you can conveniently access and view all the matters you have deleted. In this section, you can easily restore the matter to your list by simply clicking on the Restore button. Additionally, you have the option to select multiple matters by clicking on the left side square of each item, and then clicking on the top Restore button to efficiently recover all of them at once. Let's see how to close and reopen matters. Managing your matters efficiently is essential for staying organized. If you have matters that no longer need to appear on your active list, whether they're completed or inactive, closing them is the perfect solution. To begin, click on the name of the matter you wish to close to access its details. Simply click on the matter's name, and you'll be directed to its details. At the top of the matter's details page, you'll see its pipeline stages. To close the matter, click on Archive, the final stage in the pipeline. Don't forget to seal the deal by clicking the Save button. If you ever need to revisit an archived matter, click on the Archive button at the top of your screen to view your closed matters. You can reopen them anytime as needed. By closing and reopening matters as appropriate, you maintain a streamlined and clutter-free workflow, making it easier to focus on what truly matters. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. As always, we want to thank you for choosing RunSensible.